Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight we're doing it very simple because I am tired. We're making some cheesesteaks and we're going to use some checkers fries. We're going to need some nice sub rolls, our fries of course. This is the beef that I like when I'm doing it really quickly. Some beef shaved steak, about $5 to $6. Some cheese slices, whatever cheese that you like. I like white cheddar cheese on my cheesesteaks. And we also have some bell peppers and onions. And of course we can't forget our canola oil. Next, be sure to preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees, add your fries, and I like to start at about 15 minutes. I did add about 5 minutes after just because it wasn't to my liking, but that's up to you guys. Next, get your indoor grill thingy, whatever you want to call it, nice and hot, and then begin to add your oil. Next, we're going to begin to add our steak. Now I'm going to use some garlic powder at first just to start the seasoning process. I'm going to add more seasonings later. Now I like to just let it sizzle a little bit with just the garlic powder to get those juices out. Add a little tiny bit of water so that way we can start to get it nice and moist, and then continue to add your seasonings. Again, I like obey, not just salt. If you like just salt, use just salt. After your steaks are all seasoned up, you're going to want to separate it into however many steaks that you're going to be making. I only made 2 today for me and my boyfriend. Next, you're going to go ahead and add some more oil so you can begin to grill your veggies. I don't like grilled onions. However, if you do, I would just add your onions on here with your bell peppers as well. We actually like raw onion on our cheesesteaks. Then we're going to begin to cut our rolls in half and then add some mayonnaise before we put it on the grill, just to give it an extra char once it hits that nice hot oil. Now we're going to begin to remove those veggies. Here's our bread, and then we're going to add our cheese slices onto the meat. Then we're going to cover our cheesesteaks so that way they can start to melt that cheese. Once that cheese is a little bit melted, we're going to go ahead and add some crushed red peppers just to ours. If you don't like it, don't add it. Next, we're going to add our bell peppers into our steaks and scramble that around. Then you're going to add your bread on top of your side of the steak, flip it over, and begin to assemble your cheesesteaks. Of course, parsley makes everything pretty, so there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's supposed to be quick and easy after you get off work, or if you just have to hurry up and make a quick meal to eat. Here you go with a cheesesteak. You can add more cheese if you would like to. I'm lactose, so I won't be adding any more. But this is what I like, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please stay tuned for the rest of my content. Bye, guys.